Hi everyone,
Hello.
welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with my sister Sinead.
Hello.
So this is going to be the, I would say, conclusion
Finale
of our eye series. Me and Sinead have documented our ICL eye surgery experience and journey back in January. When was your surgery?
February 20th.
Okay, so mine was January 21st. So we have a whole vlog of our surgery day. And just like a quick backstory, we both got vision correction surgery at BGSS, located here in Korea, to correct our astigmatism and myopia. And like ever since we've had our surgery, like I have no regrets about it.
So overall, our experience at BGSS has been really great.
So like I mentioned, me and Sinead, we've kind of made this whole thing into like a mini series. So we do have several videos in regards to ICL surgery. So in this video, we're not gonna repeat everything we've already said, so I will link those videos down below if you guys want to watch those, get more of a backstory of
more detailed information.
Yeah, why we got surgery, surgery day, recovery, everything like that. Our videos will be down below.
So in this video, we're actually going to answer some of the questions we've gotten since we've gotten the surgery.
Yeah, so I've gotten some comments on my videos as well as DMs through Instagram. So let's go over some of the YouTube questions. So just to clarify, me and Sinead, we both got ICL surgery, which is basically an implantable contact lens. It's pretty much like a permanent contact lens. And just a quick rundown, my lens is placed horizontally. Sinead's lens is placed vertically.
And mine is behind, yours is in front.
Yes, yeah. Mine is in the anterior chamber, hers is in the posterior chamber. So that's like the biggest difference between our surgery. So one of the questions that I got was, so my price was around 5.6 million Korean won. And someone asked, is that the price for each eye or total? That is the price for both eyes included. So at BGSS, their prices are inclusive of both of your eyes, not separate.
And mine was actually 6.2 million, so it was just a little bit more, and that is because I have a new technique which is vertically placed.
Yeah, her method, like her ICL surgery,
is very new.
It's only done at BGSS.
Yeah.
So one of the doctors created this like new way of doing ICL.
So he specializes in doing the vertical method.
Oh, and just speaking of, at my last checkup, I took a picture of what my eye looks like with very up close. It's like a microscopic lens. So to the naked eye, you can't see my lens, even though it's in the anterior chamber. You can't see it to the naked eye, but under the microscope lens, you could see it. So I'm gonna insert that picture, but it's so crazy seeing the lens like in my eye like that. It's crazy. Okay, so another question that I got, someone said, I'm very concerned about this because I have to make a trip to Korea from my country, which is very far. What if I can't get surgery instantly? So I did ask BGSS about, you know, people that are traveling to Korea, they don't have 2 weeks or even a month to wait for contact lenses to be ordered and arrive. So is same day surgery possible? So the response that I got is that if patients don't have severe astigmatism, same day surgery is possible because they do have most of the lenses in stock. The only reason me and Sinead had to have special order,
we had like a severe case.
Lenses are astigmatism.
It was just bad.
It was so bad.
Even astigmatism. So we just had a really bad case.
So they had to order ours from Switzerland or something. And also we both had toric lenses. So yes, but if your astigmatism isn't very severe and it's pretty average, they'll have those lenses in stock. So same day surgery is possible. Okay, so in me and Sinead's last video, we talked about how our night vision, there is light flare that we see. So
like a little ring or halo.
It's kind of like a halo around like headlights, street lights, you know.
It's really prevalent at nighttime. Usually in the daytime, I don't notice it that much.
No, nighttime, it's like, that's when I notice it. So someone asked, will the blue light glasses take away the halo or the glare, or does it help with it? So blue light blocking glasses, from what I understand, it's just a way to minimize the glare or the flare, but it's not going to completely go away. The glasses will help. So another question that I got was, why didn't I get the same surgery that Sinead got? Like I mentioned, she got the vertical ICL. So my surgery required like a 2-step process. A week or 2 before my surgery, I had to get a mini procedure done called laser iridotomy. Basically, I had to have holes lasered into the outer part of my iris. And this is so that the contact lens, like the fluids will flow and there's no buildup of fluids. So basically to create airflow. So the reason I had to do that surgery versus just getting Sinead surgery, which was a 1-step process, is because my I don't know if I'm saying this right, intraocular space is bigger than Sinead's. And so in order to avoid my lens turning in the future, Artiflex, which is the lens that I have, is more stable. And Sinead's intraocular space is normal average, so that's why the doctor recommended that she could just get the vertical ICL. Okay, so another frequently asked question was pain. Is it painful? And one of the comments I got was like, could you see the instrument being used during your surgery? Like the doctor like literally cutting your eye open. Yes, you can see everything. There's like a cloth over your face, so just
the vision is a little blurred though, so it's not super clear. So
your eyeball is exposed, but the rest of your face is covered. So you don't have peripheral vision at all. You can just see like what's coming towards your eye.
And you can hear everything around you.
You can hear the sounds. You are very much awake, but it was painless. I mean, like you could feel
there was pressure, but it's not like it's not like a sharp pain where you're like cringing. It's very like manageable. So.
It doesn't feel like someone's stabbing your eye open.
Yeah.
Okay, like
it looks scarier than how it feels.
Yes. So in terms of after surgery, I didn't experience, you know, a lot of pain where I'm like in tears, but my eyes were feeling a little bit heavy, like I had pressure.
Almost like that feeling like when you cry for a long time and your eyes feel heavy. It does feel a little bit like that.
I would say it felt like that maybe a few days after surgery. And then obviously gradually over time it starts to feel normal. Like right now our eyes feel normal. I forget that I have, you know, an implantable lens in my eye. I don't even think about it. It's
you don't feel it.
No, you don't feel it. Like it doesn't irritate me at all.
So yeah, I'm actually wearing colored contacts today. So in one of our videos we mentioned that one of the benefits of getting ICL is you can actually wear colored contacts because it won't change like the shape of your cornea or anything. So I actually really like wearing colored contacts here and there. So it's actually nice just to have that option. So
and being able to say when the doctor's like, what prescription do you need?
Just 000. That's it. And so I don't have any like side effects with wearing colored contacts with my ICL surgery. So I feel like I see just as clearly with my colored contacts.
So thank you so much for those that sent me DMs through Instagram and also just commenting on my videos. I'm so glad that these videos have been helpful for those that are thinking about ICL or didn't even know about it and didn't even know that there's an option for people that don't qualify for LASIK.
So if you're actually thinking about getting ICL surgery or any vision correction surgery, and you're coming to Korea, I really strongly recommend going to BGSS. You will be in good hands, I can guarantee you. We'll leave all of their information below, so if you are curious, you can check them out.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.